Okay, next we are going to analyze sixth problem. Here three bulbs are connected, showing in the diagram like this. Each of the resistance are, suppose suddenly switch S is closed. Calculate the current in the circuit when S is open and also closed. So in the circuit நம்ம என்னென்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா, switch close ஆகிறப்போ என்ன current, switch open ஆகிறப்போ என்ன current. Next, similarly calculate the voltage and calculate the power and the intensity. So this is our aim. But now I am drawing the diagram like this. Bulbs replace பண்ணிட்டு நான் resistance போட்டுட்டேன். ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொரு பல்புக்கும் resistance இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So each bulb has the resistance. Here the resistance of each bulb are same, therefore that is R. It is also equal to R. It is also equal to R. You know, here the resistance are connected in series. First, we are going to recollect the memories from the resistors are in series. When the resistors are connected in series, the current flows through the resistor is same. அப்போ இது வழியா flow ஆகிற current நாம same சொல்லிடுறோம். சரியா? currentல எந்த change இல்லை. But what about the potential? Yes, potential definitely changes. So the potential across the first resistor is VA. Second resistor is VB. Third resistor is VC. If potential changes, the power is also changes. So நம்ம மூணு quantity first கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். First current, second potential, third power. So first current. From the relation, you know, Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. On the basis of this equation, first I am going to find out the current. I is equal to V by R. Okay. I already told that the current flows through the resistors are connected in series is the same. So இப்போ இங்க flow ஆகிற current, இங்க flow ஆகிற current, இங்க flow ஆகிற currentம் same தான் இருக்கும். And in circuit the potential is given. That is EMF of the battery is given. It's also known as potential difference. Suppose when the switch is closed. So the switch close பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம இந்த கண்டிஷன்ல எழுத போறோம். switch open இருக்கிறத நம்ம இந்த கண்டிஷன்ல எழுத போறோம். இங்க switch open இருக்கிறப்போ current கண்டிப்பா அது வழியா flow ஆகாது இல்லையா? So the current flows through the first resistor, second resistor and then third resistor. So this is a closed circuit when the switch is open. So when the switch is open, the current flows through each resistors. Okay, therefore the current flows through the resistor 1 and the current flows through the resistor 2 and resistor 3 all are same. Therefore IA equal to IB equal to IC. And it is equal to, according to the Ohm's law, V by R. So the value of V is a potential difference taken as EMF psi divided by total resistance. Here the each resistance are same. So the resistors are connected in series. The effective resistance is equal to sum of the individual resistance. So R plus R equal to 3R. So the total resistance is 3R. So this is the current flows through the each resistor. Suppose switch is closed. So switch நம்ம close பண்ணிடுறோம் அப்படின்னா there is no current flows through the third resistors. அப்போ இது வழியா current போகாது. ஏன்னா சர்க்யூட் இப்படி க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. So the current flows from the battery, first resistor, second resistor to the negative terminal. So there is no current flows through the third resistor. Therefore the current flows through the third resistor is equal to 0. IC equal to 0. but the current flows through the resistor A and B are same. So IA equal to IB, it is equal to, once again the formula V by R, here the potential is EMF of the battery psi divided by the resistors. Now the current flows through the resistor 1 and 2 only. Therefore the total resistance is R plus R equal to 2R. Are you understand? Okay, next we are going to find out potential across each resistor, this voltage. Once again, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Therefore, the voltage across each resistor when it is connected in series or differ. So, series இருக்கிறப்போ potential என்னவாகணும் ஒவ்வொரு resistor differ ஆகும். So, I am going to find out the individual potential of A, B and C respectively when it is open and also closed. First, when it is open. So, V is equal to I into R. The current flows through the each resistor are same in open condition. Therefore, the potential across A is VA equal to IA into R. R means resistance of the first resistor. Okay, so IA it is equal to psi divided by 3R into the resistance of the first resistor is R. According to the Ohm's law formula, V is equal to I into R. We get psi divided by 3. Similarly, VB is also the same, current psi divided by 3R, and resistance of the second resistance is also same. Therefore, we get psi by 3. And VC also equal to same value, psi by 3. But in your book, wrongly given, the potential VA, VB, VC is equal to psi divided by 3R only given. So, cancel the term and changes into psi, V equal to psi by 3. Okay. Next, when it is closed, circuit closed ஆகிறப்போ there is no current flow through the resistor. Therefore, there is no potential across a third resistor. So, the potential across third resistor is VC equal to 0. Okay. I am going to find out VA and VB on the basis of the switch is open. Sorry, switch is closed. So, VA equal to, according to Ohm's law, I into R. The value of I when it is closed is psi by 2R into resistance of the first resistor is R. So we get psi divided by 2. Similarly, VB is also the same value, psi by 2. Next, we are going to find out the third one, power of each resistor. We have the relation power, potential and resistance. Our P is equal to V square by R, and it is also equal to I square R, and it is also equal to VI. So இதெல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு relation of the power தான். 3 equations இருக்கு. இதல நம்ம ஈஸியா இருக்கிற லாஸ்ட் equation யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். So the power P is equal to, for the first resistor P is equal to VA into IA. So VA into IA. The value of potential across first resistor is psi by 3 into current psi by 3R. So the power PA is equal to psi square divided by 9R. Similarly, PB also the same value, psi square by 9R. and also the third resistor P is equal to psi square by 9R. Okay, next when it is closed, so the power for the first resistor is PA equal to VA into IA. Here the potential is a changes for A psi by 2 into current I is equal to psi by 2R. Therefore the power PA equal to psi square by 4R. Similarly PB also the same value, psi square by 4R. But P is equal to 0 because V is equal to 0 and also I is equal to 0. Are you understand the students? It's the simplest formula. And finally, what about intensity? Intensity means when the current flows through the each bulbs when it is open, so current is the same, therefore all the bulbs are glowing with equal intensity when it is open. Suppose switch is closed, there is no current flow through the third resistor, it means there is no current flow through the third bulb, so it will not glow. Third bulb will not glow, but the remaining first and second bulbs will glow with equal intensity. Okay, so that's all about the problem 6.